What's inside a $500 million house? If ever you browsed into real estate listings and come across an advertisement for a luxury property, you may have thought to yourself, wow, this one must be extraordinary. But what exactly on the inside of an extra luxurious home, you ask? Well, in this video, we're going to talk about what's inside the most expensive house today, the $500 million house. So, whether you're looking to buy a posh place or wondering about $100 or $500 million house, here are some general qualities you can expect to find in a luxury home. But before we go any further, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to be updated for more quality videos only we can provide. If you are waiting for the perfect time to seize an interesting video like this, the time is now. Make sure to keep your eye glued until the end because it is surely something you don't want to miss. Gear up because these houses are insane! Without so much delay, let's get started. Starting with a $100 million house. Look no further than this brand new real estate listing that's so stunning through the grand entryway. The 41,000 square foot home is in Bel Air, California's East Gate area. Given the estate's grandeur, the designers used live edge woods and plush materials to give warmth and prevent the space from seeming cold. The elegant atmosphere is maintained with black furnishings and gold accents. The Spanish-style mansion, which has 9 bedroom suites, 21 bathrooms, and lots of parlor space, is virtually constructed for an army. The open floor layout boasts floor-to-ceiling glass windows that flood the space with natural light, a tiered home theater, a popcorn or candy gallery, a recording studio, an entire wellness floor, a wine cellar with over 1,200 bottles of wine, and an NBA regulation basketball court that can be changed into a formal ballroom are just a few of the facilities. Just take a look at how beautiful and stunning it is. Now, we're making it into a huge jump. The next house is the $250 million house. This property in the United States is on the market for $250 million. And it comes with a helicopter, a complete vehicle, and an art collection, as well as 7 full-time employees. Isn't it that fantastic? The 4-story, 38,000 square foot Bel Air house has 12 bedrooms, 21 bathrooms, and 3 kitchens. The outdoor entertainment area totals 17,000 square feet, featuring an 85-foot infinity pool. Every inch of the property in this house is innovative, flawless, and meticulously curated. A number of outdoor lounge spaces offer extraordinary views of the city. The interior is styled in an unusual yet luxurious style. The glass walls of the house provide breathtaking views of the mountains, ocean, and Los Angeles cityscape. There are 2 master bedrooms, 10 VIP guest suites, and 21 bathrooms in the mansion, as well as 4-lane bowling rink and club. When you're splurging, it only makes sense to have a bowling alley and a 40-seat home movie theater. Below is an auto gallery with vehicles worth a total of $30 million. The big wall of different candies in this residence will also appeal to anyone with a sweet tooth. Talk about getting spoiled? They might as well get an in-house dentist, right? The house is completely equipped and artfully decorated. A helipad, which isn't operational, and the merely ornamental helicopter may be seen from a rooftop office on the top level. There are 2 fully filled champagne and wine vaults, as well as over 100 carefully designed art exhibits. There are 5 bars and various lounge places strewn across the site. The house comes with a full-time crew of 7 people. Beyond entertainment spaces, the home has a state-of-the-art fitness center, as well as a massage studio and a wellness spa. Wow! Despite its exorbitant sale price of $94 million from $250 million, the house was far from the most expensive homes sell in Los Angeles County in 2019. Now, you're probably thinking the next $100 million house can't get much better than this $250 million house. But it does, because the next house is worth $350 million. The structure is surrounded by a moat on 3 sides and appear to float above the city. And that's an insane view! 30-car garages, a 4-lane bowling alley, and a philanthropy wing? 4 charity galas are also included. There's another bowling alley. Wow, that's rather intriguing. You should also put a bowling alley in your property if you want to look wealthy. Well, keep that in your mind, folks. There are also 5 swimming pools and a 30-seat movie theater located throughout the estate. The home's interior features include floor-to-ceiling windows that allow in California sunshine. Simple, efficient furniture and eye-catching modern artwork have been used to complement the space. However, the most breathtaking part of this property will blow your mind. It has 360-degree views, which stretch all the way out to the Pacific Ocean in the west and the San Gabriel Mountains in the east. From the mansion's 10,000 square foot sky deck, you can view all of the downtown Los Angeles. Would you ever leave your home if you had all of these in your house? Because for me, I don't think so, as it feels like I already have everything in this house. But wait, although this house is beyond perfect and stunning, you can't deny the fact that you're still wondering what's inside the $500 million house, correct? Welcome to the $500 million house! And this house is called The One because of its massive 100 square foot size and amenities such as 4-lane bowling alley, tennis court, 10,000 bottle wine cellar, 7 swimming pools, full-size spa, a nightclub, 32-seat movie theater, billiards room, and a 50-car garage. The Bel Air mansion has earned the moniker giga-mansion. The living quarters include 21 bedrooms, 42 bathrooms, and a 5,500 square foot master suite, and has a 360-degree view of Los Angeles, and it is very amazing. The property's list of facilities includes just about every over-the-top luxury one can imagine, and it is owned and designed by the famously ambitious real estate developer, Niall Niami. Niami is constructing a lounge area in which jellyfish float about and encircle you. According to him, the estate would include a moat that surrounds the whole property and gives the impression that the mansion is floating on water. That may sound extravagant, but it is. It was created to deliver everything you'd find in a city to your own house, including restaurant, quality kitchens, salons, theaters, a nightclub, and even a bar. Steam rooms, saunas, hammams, and salt rooms, which are complete rooms composed of salt, are all popular at the moment, and they are claimed to be beneficial. The One's most jaw-dropping feature, however, may be its proposed price tag of $500 million. But will anyone actually pay that much for a home, even if it is located down the street from Jennifer Aniston? Well, probably yes. Alright, did this insane house interior design blow your mind? What do you think it looks like to live there? Share your thoughts down below. We'll surely read your comments about it. Before we go, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up so we can continue to make videos like this. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.